If your 3D prints are failing, stringing, or losing detail, there's a good chance the real problem isn't your printer, it's your filament. Moisture is one of the biggest enemies of clean, precise prints. And that's exactly where the Creality Space Pi X4 filament dryer box comes in. This isn't just a basic dryer, it's a 4-spool capacity system designed for serious creators who want consistent, high-quality results. Right away, the standout feature is its dual heating chamber design. This allows the device to dry multiple spools evenly and efficiently at the same time. No more swapping filaments in and out. Everything is ready when you need it. Powering this system is a 200W PTC heating element, capable of reaching up to 85 degrees Celsius. That means faster drying times and better moisture removal compared to standard filament boxes. And the difference shows. Dry filament prints smoother, with better layer adhesion, fewer bubbles, and significantly less stringing. Whether you're working with PLA, PETG, PETG, or ABS, this dryer helps you get the best possible results from every material. Another big advantage is real-time moisture control. The enclosed system protects your filament from humidity, not just during drying, but also during storage. So your filament stays ready to use, even days later. The design is also practical. Despite holding up to 4 spools, it remains compact and organized, making it easy to fit into your workspace. It's perfect for hobbyists, makers, and professionals who want reliability without complexity. Setup is quick and simple, and once it's running, it works quietly in the background. If you're tired of failed prints, wasted filament, and inconsistent quality, this is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Because sometimes the smallest change, like dry filament, makes the biggest difference. The Creality Space Pi X4 isn't just an accessory. It's a tool that helps you unlock the full potential of your 3D printer. Check the link in the description to learn more.